Let's see how the NuTune Scales app can accelerate your practice. Start by selecting your instrument. Then, customize your scale. Choose a key, a scale type, and a number of octaves. To enhance your scale practice, use the rhythm and tempo features. Adjust the beats per minute to a comfortable practice speed. To further develop your proficiency, use the notes feature to add rhythms. Add a metronome, repeat the top note, or repeat the entirety of the scale as necessary. For advanced musicians, use the octave placement feature. Note the fingering below the notes on the staff. Add NuTune's default fingering or customize your own. In this example, we've selected a 1-octave G major scale at 90 beats per minute with the dotted 8th note and 16th rhythm. Hit the play button to listen and play along. Scroll the staff to view the entirety of the scale and review important, difficult passages. Enable the recording feature to easily assess your progress. Use the My Recordings page to review your recordings. You can listen, download, and send your recordings. In the Practice page, use the Setting feature to review other customizable features. Access NuTune on any device, including the web, anytime and anywhere.